Hi, I'm Meek of Britain. I'm going to explain about polynomials. First, what is polynomial? A polynomial is an expression of more than two algebraic terms, especially the sum of several terms that contains different powers of a same variable. The degrees of polynomial is the highest term in the sum of exponents of a variable. Next, types of polynomial. There are three types of polynomial: monomial, binomial and trinomial. It is categorized based on degrees of the polynomial. It is also known as linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. On this topic, I have done a model. Thank you.